Hi guys, my name is Mahima Sakpal and for today's video I'm going to be doing something really different. So one thing I would like to share about me is that I'm not a talker. By that I mean that I never give people advice like do this, do that. I don't do that. But in today's video I'm going to be sharing something really personal to me. Like I was dealing with something really negative and I that time it was the worst. I didn't knew what to do, what to give out to the world. I felt during that time I felt, but now like it during that time by god grace I came up with this thought which, but here it is, I'm sharing my thought to the world today. And the thought is, but before the thought I would like to ask you all a question. Have you ever come across a situation where someone you're really close to, not even close to, but generally a other human being has hurt you, like by saying something really hurtful, negative, and you even the first thought which came to my mind is that I never did that to that person, I never said that to that person, so negative, so so hurtful basically. So that time, obviously I'm a human being, I was sad. Obviously all human beings get sad when someone says something negative or bad to you, especially when you didn't expect that and you didn't see that coming. So I was sad, obviously. But in this situation, what would a normal human being do? There are two things which anyone would do. So the first one is ignorance. Everyone say ignorance is a bliss, which in fact is the truth. Ignorance is a bliss, but one more masala I would like to add here is that the person whom you're dealing with is someone you have to deal on a daily basis. So one thing about ignorance is that it's more like a physical activity in which you're ignoring a person about what he says, what he does to you, but it is not physical being actually physical. Like you mentally, you're just trying to control, to ignore what he's saying, but deep inside your head, you're ignoring. So you are giving that attention also. And if you're dealing with someone on a daily basis, ignorance I don't think would do wonders. Number two is analyze. Now analyze is the worst thing you can do to your brain. You give out your time, you give out your energy, you overthink, and it's truly a fact. Analyzing will just get the situation more worse, and you would analyze, you would think, you would give your energy out there, and the conclusion won't be worth it, to be very honest, which I realized, and which is a fact. Come you don't come out with a positive impact when you overthink, when you analyze on the details which are not even required. No, it is not a positive impact, it doesn't do some positive impact also. So analyzing was a big no to me, in my case at least. So the third one is the one which helped me to be the person that I am today. I'm so grateful for this thought that I got, to be honest, because I'll just say it out now. To have this attitude, I'll just give out the attitude thing. It's over here. So to have this attitude, what is the first step? So the first step is acceptance. I think once you accept who you are, who you truly are, that person's opinion won't matter, because you have realized who you truly are, and that person won't come and tell you you are this, you are that, because you have already accepted who you are, you already know who you are. And also one, you have this don't care attitude, even that person will bother you less, because he has realized like she is not giving the attention, she's not giving the attention what she was giving before. And he will bother you less, because he has realized it is a waste of energy to him also, and he'll eventually back off also. But yeah, acceptance and know who you truly are, there's no stopping in this world, to be honest. Then there are 10 people talking negative to you, it won't matter, because you know who you are. They don't need to tell who you are, biggest thing. So this was my thought which changed me and made me a better person. So that is what my thought for today is. And I know I have puck out so much, I feel I'm such a talker. So I would end this video today here, and I hope it helps someone. It helped me, and I hope it helped you all too. And if it helps you all, I'll be the happiest person on this planet. Anyways, I'm ending this video, and I'll see you in the next video. And anyways, enjoy life, eat good food, talk with your friends, talk with your parents, and just enjoy life. Be the best version of you. Okay, guys, too much of talking. Bye.